episode of HollowLyfe.
Nothing else.
Yeah, I'm due for the fucking raise.
A raise? We ain't gonna get that here, gang. Not yet. Not yet.
I already got my raise. I got my first raise at the 6 month mark.
We're gonna have a good time. We got liquor. We got a pack of hot dogs. We ain't got that many hot dogs, but. Rest in peace to Danny, man. We gonna smoke one for him.
No, not rest in peace.
That's what you say when somebody either get fired or they leave. Rest in peace to them, bro. They exited the game and now they back into the real world.
Oh, fuck, that hurt.
That should get you where you want.
Talking like you a liquor expert.
I am.
Talking about that's gonna get you where you want. Where you trying to go?
Shit, stop being scared.
Stop being scared. You need to hit it this year.
Oh no,
I'm trying
This
to
that
wake
bitch
up
that's
and
gonna have you tweaked out. And this motherfucker laced. It's K2.
I don't want
fuck that shit.
I'm just playing.
I was gonna say, I ain't never done it, but fuck that shit. Shit, I wanna wake up and not know where the fuck I'm at.
Oh, you supposed to be off tomorrow.
I'm off till Monday.
Oh shit.
My fucking ribs are fucked up. Yeah, I've been in a lot of pain the past few days. Tramadol's finally starting to work.
I should just slam you, huh? All right, I got it right now.
Hey, if you slam me, I
Where-
can take
where your
the
other
whole
phone
time
at?
off
I
work.
play music. What a speaker.
Hollow.
Huh?
Make sure you slam me on my left side of my ribs.
Why that's that?
Because it's my fucked up side.
I don't want to fuck the other side up. How you
wanna
crippled.
fuck the- oh, shit.
You know what
all
Shama is? I want to fuck you up like that.
Right on. Hey,
Oh, that fire hitting, turning me on, man. Sipping on that Don Julio, Acafulio. How y'all feel about 2024, man?
it was an interesting year. Definitely had its ups and downs.
I'm not a crackhead, so I think that's a win. You not a crackhead. You not a crackhead.
On top of the dirt.
You not a crackhead.
How you know that?
Wow. Okay.
Y'all really think I would have did it?
Yes. I be thinking everybody lying anyway.
And I think I used to buy weed from a coworker back in the day. I think his shit was laced. That shit made me feel all type of weird. What the fuck is this?
No. No, he's saying what the
Then
fuck.
yeah, if you don't calm your ass down, man, she gone, man.
She ain't gone. She need to be. Talking about the weed that he got laced with. Fuck no.
Yeah, you ever smoked some laced weed?
Yeah. That bitch had me tweaked out, boy.
Bro,
I kept reliving my car crash.
How this?
nah, but when I was smoking that weed, that shit had me.
You're gonna be high, girl. I'm always.
Look,
You smoke?
I'ma light it.
I eat edibles.
Don't pull too hard. Small pulls, okay?
Okay.
Just start pulling right now, but small pulls.
Don't do it a lot. I can't do it.
You talking about don't do a lot. It's all about her. It's how much she pull.
Yeah, I really do.
What if we just cooked you out here?
Who is we?
Him and the mouse in his pocket.
Y'all not with me?
Who's we? You and the mouse in your pocket?
Not black and forever?
No.
No forever Wakanda?
He's meant to me.
Yeah.
Oh God. He's our
You
oppressor.
picked the skinniest person out here to eat.
With no bones. I mean, no meat.
That rib
I bet they got
sounding a
meat on
little.
me, bro.
It's bruised, so that means it's tender. Sound juicy to me.
I got some tender meat right here. It's all swollen too.
Jeffrey
It's
Dahmer
all
your
big and
ass.
shit,
I'm just
man.
playing, bro. I think it's time for some hot dogs, man.
Yes, I'm hungry, please.
Young nigga epidemic. What about Pokey Pokey at? That's right here.
You just give
Hell no.
He is not gonna do that shit.
What the hell you got going on?
That's how you do marshmallows. When you doing a real campfire, you grab a stick off the ground, you find one, you put it on
Listen,
the fire.
I got a sensitive stomach. Fuck that shit. No, I just wanted to make sure ain't nothing crazy dropped on me. Sometimes I think about spreading it in this fire so it can go catastrophic.
What?
I won't do that though. That's just my mind talking.
Trying to blind us all?
Huh? No, just more like see what would happen.
Honestly, I don't know if
And
Macy's
so, I give it to like sometimes my mother definitely say jump.
I'm sure it'll tell you on the camera.
Imagine if we had committed something.
This glizzy smell amazing. Whoa. Whoa.
You said what?
What the fuck? Never mind, bro.
Opioids.
That's that shit that you OD on?
I don't know. It's for my fucking ribs. It's tramadol.
Tramadol, yeah,
They
no.
don't really do much.
You can drink alcohol.
All I know is give me some of that dimmadome.
I ain't gonna.
Give me some of that dimmadome.
Why the fire running away from me?
Chase it.
I'm trying.
Honestly, though, the tramadol really
Cat
just
chasing
feels like
Katniss.
a strong ibuprofen.
That was like, you listen to that. You actually listen to follow doctor's orders and they say you can't mix alcohol with medicine.
Lord, don't listen to black people. They gonna get you. Let me tell you something. You gonna fucking
That's
be
what
dead. What your thug ass doing playing this?
I break out into hives
tell
and
you,
get
Mo,
itchy
Bill,
all
girl.
over, bro. It's not fun. I have to go to the hospital.
Why is you running? What the fuck? Like, look at it. It's not even. No, I'm on the
Biggie, I
top.
like Biggie too.
Bruh. What you mean you want the top one?
DRE, I fuck with DRE.
Hello, you never know. This will need to be cooked in the film.
Hold on.
No, I don't.
I'm really hoping my ribs feels better.
Kill shit, you ain't never pissed nobody. You ain't never been on the drill, sit outside till the sun come up, cause you ain't see nobody. You ain't never seen a nigga head lean over to the side, cause he just got hit in his noggin. Fuck niggas stop all the nuns.